Hey guys, I just went through the reading over CSS Animations. I went through the first couple of examples and coded them out. So we have a couple of buttons. The first one turns blue, and the second one shrinks. For our number animations, we have a sliding counter and I guess I'll call that a flip counter. Now there's a lot more I could do with this web page. I like the card aspects I have going on. I don't know if I need this part 1, part 2. I also thought it'd be fun to add the train animation here. They have, as well as the boat animations. They also got this one. They got another boat that fades out, and they even have a couple more cool ones in the tasks. So I'll share my GitHub repository. If anyone wants to build off of what I've made, go at it. Let's highlight a couple of things that are interesting in this code. First, I want to highlight this defer attribute. This allows you to have your script up here instead of at the bottom. So watch, if I remove this, these will no longer animate. Adding it back, now they animate. Okay. Go ahead and comment that out. Just show you that it works when you have your scripts on the bottom. Okay. For the buttons, if we go to our JavaScript, it's cool to note that we're passing through this. So color is the ID of the button. So this is the button with the ID of color, and it's changing its background color to blue. Likewise, this ID of the button is growing, so the button is changing the font size to 2 pixels. Or we could go to 200 pixels. Try that out. Whoa. About 20. It's a little big. There you go. The number animation is a bit more interesting. It's got all the numbers inside this div. The reason why you don't see them all is because the width is shortened and the overflow is hidden. So watch, if we took off the overflow, you can see all the numbers right here. And you can see how they're animating. So you can play around with the width as well, right, and change that to 2 and see how that works. It's also fun to play with the time duration. So this is going to be super fast. Woo! Those were a couple things I found fun playing around with the code and the animation. I felt like I learned a lot by taking the hands-on approach and playing with the examples. I definitely recommend taking an hour or two and doing the same thing. And if you want, you can pick up where I left off. I'll add a link to my Git repository. That's all for now. Have a great day, guys.